Hey, chefs!
Can you guess what we're making today?
The most important thing we need is...
Small, blue, and shaped like a ball.
Can you guess?
That's right! Blueberries!
The next most important thing we need is...
Creamy, white, and often spread.
Can you guess?
That's right! Cream cheese!
Did you guess what we're making yet?
Did you guess blueberry cream cheese?
If you guessed blueberry cream cheese, then you're right.
What are we going to spread the blueberry cream cheese on?
Are we spreading it on some toast, a bagel, or crackers?
We're going to spread the blueberry cream cheese on a bagel.
Sounds delicious. How do we make it?
Let's sing to learn how.
Sure, I'm ready.
Let's sing.
Sugary sweet blueberries,
You know that I love you.
so round and blue.
I'm gonna mash you with a plastic spoon.
Ba-ba-ba-da. Mash you with a spoon,
Mash you with a spoon.
getting real smashed,
Getting real smashed.
leaving just your juice behind.
Wanna taste it 100 times.
Ba-ba-ba-da. Add some powdered sugar,
And white cream cheese.
then mix with a spoon.
I mix and turn it all.
There's not much more to do. Sugar sweet blueberries,
Sugar sweet blueberries.
added to the white cream cheese.
Now it looks purple.
Time to spread it on the bagel. Ba-ba-ba-da.
Wanna eat the snack.
Eat it all.
And I try.
But every time I ask the teachers,
They tell me, wait.
sugar sweet blueberries
Sugar sweet blueberries.
mixed in with white cream cheese.
It's purple now.